Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I'm back with another quick yet an amazing recipe. We will be making beef biryani today. But before starting, I want you all to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. We will start by adding 2 medium tomatoes, 1 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon papaya paste or dried papaya powder, 4 to 5 Kashmiri red chilies, 1 black cardamom, 2 green cardamoms, 3 cloves, 1 star anise, 1 small bay leaf, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon nutmeg powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, or you can substitute it by 1 small cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon paprika powder, 2 tablespoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon or according to taste salt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into a blender, and blend it into a fine paste. Now we will take 600 grams of beef with bones. Add the prepared paste. And mix it well. Cover and refrigerate it for 6 to 8 hours, or for better results, marinate it for overnight. In a pressure cooker, add 3/4 cup of ghee, 3 medium onions. Saute until onions turn brown. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, and saute them on high flame for 2 minutes. Add the marinated beef. Mix well and pressure cook it for 20 minutes or until the meat is tendered. You can also use your normal pot, but that's gonna take a longer time. Biryani masala is now ready. Let's move on to the next pot. In a separate pot, add 4 liters or as required water and bring it to boil. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 cinnamon sticks, 10 to 12 peppercorns, 10 to 12 cloves, 1 bay leaf, handful of mint leaves, 600 grams of rice. Make sure you soak the rice in cold water at least for 30 minutes before cooking. 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon or according to taste salt. Cook on high flame until the rice is 3/4 cooked. Cover with lid if required. Strain the rice. In the same pot, add the prepared biryani masala. Next, add boiled rice. One cup of fried onion, half cup of mint leaves, and 2 green chilies. Make small holes in between and add orange food color as required. Cover and cook on very low flame for 5 minutes. Mix everything all together. And cover and cook on low flame for another 10 minutes. Garnish the biryani with mint leaves, fried onion and green chilies. The biryani is all ready to enjoy. You can serve this with some mint raita. Do try this recipe of quick yet mouth-watering beef biryani and let me know in the comment section of what you think about it. Please share this video with your families and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye.